Lambeau, what are the advantages of trading Forex compared with stocks?
Good question. Forex trading has many advantages over stocks trading. Traders can expand asset base by using leverage.
Dr. Lambeau, you know how poor I am? But I really want to start Forex trading, so what should I do?
Except hard-working, you can take advantage of the leverage. Large deals can be made with only a small margin. For example, if the leverage is 100 to 1, you only need $100 to make a deal worth $10,000. A fluctuation of 1% can translate to a 100% gain. However, it can also result in a 100% loss, depending on the direction of the price movements. High liquidity. The Forex market's daily trade volume is about $6.6 trillion. Undoubtedly, it is the largest financial market and has the highest liquidity. What this means is that under normal market conditions, you can make a deal with one click of the mouse. Besides, your transactions are not subject to delays. Make profits by going long and short. Forex trading involves currency exchanges. With that, you can choose to either go long or short. For example, we can decide to make a deal on the euro to US dollar currency pair. If the value of the euro goes up and that of the US dollar declines, the exchange rate will rise. In such a case, we should buy the euro, which means going long. On the contrary, if the value of euro falls and that of US dollar rises, the exchange rate will fall. Subsequently, we can buy the dollar and sell the euro, which means to go short. Okay, now let's go over what we've learned today. The advantages of Forex trading include leverage, which means to multiply your profit by expanding the asset base. High liquidity, to generate profit in bull and bear markets by making long or short trades. Will Hunting, I have a quiz for you after class. All we've learned today. In the next video, we'll learn about the participants in the Forex market and who you are trading with.